Hitting start on another episode of Brittany's Brew Review, brought to
Yay.
you by everybody here at the Quick Sixer Collective. Your boy, Pat Artist, Brittany Fernandez, and Drew Pasley. So, B, you told us off air you have some garbage shit for us
I
to.
didn't know. I wasn't sure what we were doing. I didn't expect like a exciting little review. I would have grabbed something else, but everything
Yeah,
else was warm.
you do have a
But
cool shirt on, but
yes, I do.
that's cool.
But you gifted me some things today,
Yes.
and one of the things was some Michelob Ultra.
Yeah.
The superior light beer. You
Oh
know,
shit.
I'm not mad at Michelob Ultra. I don't drink it
No,
very often. Um,
no.
I could,
You
I
could crush a
guess.
billion of them, but
Yeah. What is it? Like,
um. Yeah, it's not a beer. So run it back. Why? Me and B had a little well, we went and had basically lunch together and with Meg and at Yazoo, and we were gonna do a beer swap. And I had an abundance of beers from an event that we recently did. And I haven't shared, I can't talk about what the event is or any of that kind of stuff, but I came home with 113 beers. So I and Meg told me I can't buy new beer until it's gone. So uh
I got
that
some
leads to
today.
me yeah, it leads to me getting pretty bored pretty quick. So I was like, fuck, how do I get rid of this? And then I was like, oh, Brittany would like some of this. So I ended up being like, oh, and I'm gonna give Stony some too. I talked to Stony,
Sweet.
and yeah, so yeah, I'm
Happy
trying to
to
get
oblige.
yeah. Stony's like, yeah, fuck yeah. So yeah, that's where we're at. So Michelob Ultra, the superior light beer.
It's 2.6 carbs. I don't
Oh,
really know what that
oh,
means. And
who
it's
knows?
95 calories.
Oh shit.
And what's the percentage?
I'm gonna
Gotta
look
be
it up.
4, right? Something like
Probably.
that.
Oh, 4.2.
Yeah.
Honestly, higher than I thought. Feel like I
Yeah.
had a beer at Yazoo today that was like a 3.6.
Dude, one
I
of
was
those ones
like,
I had, I
keep it
was
low.
like, I shouldn't have had. One of them was like a 10.5 or something.
Good Lord.
I know. I was like, oh, this
I
is a
mean,
bad idea.
Michelob Ultra is like the Southern Dad beer. Like that is how it's marketed,
Yeah,
who drinks it. Uh,
facts.
But it's a Southern dad who's like watching his weight, right?
yeah.
Yeah, definitely,
Like he's like
definitely.
trying
He,
to be better.
Yeah,
he
this is
feels
the dad
better
that
about
drives the
killing
boat.
12 of them in one day.
Yeah,
Exactly.
this is what my brother drinks right now, and it's like, this is the boat. This is the beer you're drinking when you're driving a boat or something. Like stuff that you need to still be conscious of.
Well, that's what I was gonna say. Since you got me a couple cans here, I'm gonna
Hmm.
save some for like yard work,
Yeah,
painting my shed,
there you go.
doing some weed eating
Yeah,
things outside.
definitely, definitely.
Might take one on our trying to go on
I
walks every
mean,
night, trying to do a
Hmm.
beer walk.
There you go.
the calories do add up. I mean, if you drinking what I drink, the Stellas, you got 150 each beer, so
Mm.
95. I mean,
Okay. Well, hold on. So we're at 4.2 ABV, you're 95 calories, 2.6 carbs, zero fat. That's what these are.
Perfect. I didn't need fat
Um,
in my beer anyway.
right? It says it has a, a light citrus aroma and a crisp, refreshing finish.
no, you ain't got no aromas, bro. You ain't got
I'm not
no aromas.
I'm not getting any aroma.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Also,
You are
I
a
thought
All right.
Michelob
about
Ultra.
Well, who knows? Who knows, bro?
it's
I don't
like
know.
it's cold because I threw one in the fridge when I got home.
Yeah.
And then I was like, I'll just have this when we record or whatever. But it's not like ice cold, and I feel like I have to drink this really fast because it's
Yeah.
gonna get
Yeah.
hot
Yeah.
and it's gonna
Yeah.
get fucking gross.
Yeah.
See, that's
It's
why you
like,
got to get one of these things
Ooh.
like Pat got me.
Yeah.
damn,
Damn. Damn. That's nice.
that
See,
is
that's
really
what
nice.
real friends do. He
Damn,
might have
Pat.
gave you a lot of beer, but he got me this.
It's gold
She
too. That's how
she
you know
also
it's
got
legit.
other things. Her birthday's coming up.
I did get
But
a thick shirt.
mhm. Um yeah. So Michelob Ultra. This is a beer we have not had on this show before.
Oh, good.
Where I don't think so. I hope not. But where are we putting this? Oh,
I
B, you're
don't,
getting point 6 protein. You're
you
getting
know,
point. Yeah, you're getting swole drinking
Good
all
build.
this.
speaking
Yeah.
of protein, I'm making this dinner tonight and it's a Korean beef over rice and it's supposed to be a bunch of protein and it's in
Hmm.
the crock pot right now. And after
Fuck
I
yeah.
hop off here, I'm gonna shred it up, put it over rice, and it's
Nice.
gonna be delicious.
I really want to know. I want to see it. That sounds
I'll
good.
send you a picture. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
Cool,
stoked
cool.
on it. But
Yeah. Sounds really
between
good.
that and this Michelob,
You're gonna be
my
so swole,
protein
dude.
gains today.
Yeah, watch out. It might not fit through the door, too wide. Anyway, where are we putting it on the scale?
I don't know. It's not good. It's not bad.
Okay, so for your, no, I'm gonna count this as your birthday month since
Oh, great.
this is the first review you'll have after your birthday.
Mm,
What are we
mm.
what are we doing?
I'll give it a 2.
Oh, okay.
Is that
Yeah,
out of 10?
No, out of five.
a 5.
Oh, okay.
0.25 increments. That's higher than I think some other shit you've ranked.
Really? I don't
I
know
think
if I've
so.
ranked
I think you hit
a
something with a
lot.
one time, but I can't
Well,
remember.
at least Michelob knows what it is.
That's true.
It's not
I
trying to
like a
like,
consistency.
yeah,
Yeah,
The
you got to give
same.
it a point for being like a mass-produced,
Hmm.
mass-consumed beer.
Yeah.
You
It's the
know?
same thing
yeah,
as Stella. Like it's good because it's consistent. Wherever you get it, it's gonna be the same thing.
they're doing something right.
Yeah.
But the aroma, I think it
No
ain't there.
aroma. All
What was
right,
the
cool.
other descriptions?
I said a citrus aroma and a crisp, refreshing finish.
No,
No, okay.
no, I'm not
Just a
getting any of
light beer
that.
finish. I'm telling you, if I open a cooler and this shit's in it, I'm just like, oh man.
I love how you're
Like
like, here, you can have all of the Michelob.
I gave you most of it, I think.
It's
I
fine. I'm gonna drink them. Like I said,
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Well, to be fair, I know Jesse doesn't really drink. I thought he might drink these.
Oh, he doesn't
So,
drink at all.
okay. Well, I was like,
Yeah,
oh, Jesse might drink these things. Like,
no, he
no.
does. He's been drinking these. Actually, he's been drinking these THC drinks that we found at the liquor store over by the
Oh,
Madison
dude, which
Aldi.
ones? Which ones?
They're oh fuck. They're like one of the main brands. Um
What
but
flavor is it?
it's the only one that I found that was 50 milligrams.
I
All
know
of
what you're
the other
talking
ones are
about.
like 5, 10. Like this is
Yeah.
like black cans and they're
Yeah.
50 milligrams. I can't
Yeah.
remember what the brand was.
Yeah. Those,
Um
does he drink one straight to the head, like all the way?
oh yeah. He takes those in our after dinner walks.
Oh God. Bro, high as hell on the way home.
hmm
I
50
can't, yeah.
milligrams. But
We can talk.
they're pretty good. And they have like
Oh yeah. You can
the
seal them
flip
back up.
can, yeah,
Yeah.
you can see them, which is cool.
Yeah. Did I send you guys a picture of those things? There's one. Oh, we can talk about this later. No, but yeah, they're pretty solid, dude. Those things.
Yeah, I mean, for people who don't drink or
Mm-hmm.
whatever.
Yeah, they get
I
the trick
can't
done.
do them because I can barely smoke weed without going into a
A
panic.
spiral.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. There's some tricks to it. But anyways, a 2.0 from
two
B.
point, yeah,
A
it knows what it is.
2.0
I'm
Michelob
gonna drink
Ultra.
them. I'm not gonna kick it out of bed. It'll be
Yeah.
fine.
All right, cool. Well, anyways, that's another episode of Brittany's Brew Review. This is for June 2025. And yeah, it's been all of us. We're out.